Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll discuss how to use file upload feature in a ChatGPT. Well, we can upload the files like PDF, Excel, CSV, text, JSON files to the ChatGPT, and we can ask ChatGPT to analyze these files. For example, let us head over to the ChatGPT over here, and here I am going to use the ChatGPT Plus, which is a paid version of ChatGPT because it is a bit faster and provides accurate information. So here we are going to use the ChatGPT Plus. Okay, now let us explore file upload feature in a ChatGPT. So go to the chat over here, and here you can see the plus icon. Just click on it, and here you have a couple of options like add from apps. So you can add the file directly from different apps like from Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, and you can also connect to the Microsoft OneDrive from here. Okay, so if you want to add the file from the file system, you can just click on this add photos and files. Okay, and you can add different types of files, like you can add the image, you can add the PDF, Excel, CSV file, JSON, text. Okay, so ChatGPT supports a lot of file types. So let us begin with a simple use case. So let us upload the simple PDF file to the ChatGPT, and let us see how ChatGPT will analyze that PDF file. So click on the plus icon, click on the add photos and files, and go to the location where your PDF file is present. In my case, it is in a desktop demo folder. So here I am going to choose this PDF file, that is AI notes for unit 1, and I am going to open this PDF file. Now the PDF file is successfully uploaded. Next, let us say you don't have a time to read the complete PDF file. You want just summary of this PDF file. Then you can ask ChatGPT to create a summary of this PDF file. For example, if I open the PDF file over here, this PDF file has around 38 pages, and I don't have time to read all these 38 pages. I just want to tell ChatGPT like summarize the important points from this PDF file. So ChatGPT will analyze this PDF and it will summarize the important points. Okay, so let's go back to ChatGPT, and here let us ask ChatGPT like summarize 10 key points from attached PDF file. Just submit the prompt, and there we go. You can see here are 10 key summary points from PDF titled AI Notes for Unit 1. Okay, so this is how you can ask ChatGPT to analyze the PDF and give you the key points. Okay, next let us say you want to create a multiple choice questions for this PDF notes. Then you can ask ChatGPT to do that. For example, here let us ask ChatGPT create 10 multiple choice questions from the attached PDF file. Submit the prompt, and here you can see the ChatGPT response. Here are 10 multiple choice questions based on the content from the attached PDF file. This is awesome, right? You don't have to manually create the multiple choice questions by reading the PDF document. You can just take the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT will do it in minutes. Next, let us say you want to create a blog post or an article for this PDF file. Then that you can ask for the ChatGPT as well. For example, here create 1000 words article on attached PDF file, and then say follow SEO standards. Next, submit the prompt, and here you can see the ChatGPT response. Here is a 1000 word SEO optimized article based on the PDF file. And look at here, the article looks awesome, isn't it? So this is the power of ChatGPT. You don't have to spend a lot of time on it. Just take the help from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will do it in a minutes. Okay, perfect. So this is how you can use the ChatGPT to analyze the PDF files. Next, you can also upload multiple PDF files at a time. For example, click on this plus icon, click on this add photos and files, and here you can select multiple PDF files as well. and just open it, and there we go. You can see You can upload multiple PDF files at once in ChatGPT, and you can ask questions to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT will basically analyze all these PDF files and it will answer you. So this is the power of ChatGPT. Okay. Next, you can also upload different file types. For example, you can upload the Excel file as well. You can upload the Excel file and you can ask questions to the ChatGPT. So this Excel file contains the employee sample data, and if you want to query some data from this Excel document, you can ask ChatGPT. For example, let us say you want to retrieve the employees that belongs to particular department and particular age, particular gender. Then you can ask ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will filter that record from this Excel file. For example, here go to ChatGPT, and here let us ask ChatGPT like filter the employees who belongs to IT department and age greater than 25. Okay, and just submit the prompt, and there we go. You can see this is the complete Excel file sample data, and just scroll down, and here you can see the result. This table basically contains the employees who belongs to IT department whose age greater than 25. You can just review the data over here. You can see all the employees belongs to IT department. So this is how you can upload the Excel file, and you can ask ChatGPT to filter the records. Okay. Next, you can also upload multiple Excel files as well. You can upload Word document as well. For example, here I am going to upload this Word file, and next you can ask questions to the ChatGPT. Let us say, what is AI? So ChatGPT will read the document and it will answer accordingly. Okay, so this is how you can use file upload feature in a ChatGPT as well. Next, let us see how to upload the image and ask ChatGPT to explain that image. So again, go to the plus icon, click on it, and click on this add photos and files, and select one of the photo here. So here I am going to select one of the photo or image, and here I am going to tell ChatGPT explain the attached image. So ChatGPT will analyze the image and it will answer accordingly. So you can see here. So this is the image text and this is the explanation for this image. You can also upload multiple images and you can ask the questions accordingly. So this is how we can use ChatGPT provided file upload feature. Alright, great. I will see you in the next video.